Hello, I'm at the Bodgers Ball and it's being hosted by the Weald and Downland Living Museum.
Well, there's been a very good turnout. The museum's actually quite near Chichester. About 500 or so bodgers assembled. Quite a few of us were camping, and we had a lovely large field area and lots of things going on. And here you see a nice logging horse. But we had all the usual competitions, and I've put up previous films of these. Lots of tool sales and lots of things to tempt you. So you had to keep your hands in your pockets. And this is also some of the auction items. There was pit sawing, various chair making going on, lots of demonstrations, and of course great fun catching up with old friends. And we had another lovely splendid marquee. I do admire these structures. They're rather good. This year we ran a couple of days of courses before the main event, so I was running leatherwork courses and it was great. Met a nice lot of people and passed on some leatherworking skills. Lovely art logo there for the ball, and here's a sort of sweeping view of part of the field. And people sort of pitch up, camp, and they set up all their displays. It's great. Of course, there are lots of demonstrations, pit sawing and log hewing going on, and people bring along bits of kit. So a nice little fret saw, very popular with the bowl turning lathes this year. Lots of bowl turners. It's become the new, I think, thing people enjoy doing. And the museum, of course, had very kindly brought along some rolling exhibits. And here's one of the Bodger living vans. Thought this was rather good. It has even got a solar panel on the roof to get some energy. If you tow that behind, look at that, a nice little home. It was very cold at night camping, actually.
Various brace bits. Complete with drill roll. Cost you a lot of money in the shops. Who's got a tenner? Oh no, sorry, I forgot we're at the Bodgers Ball auction. Who's got a fiver?
Well, you have to laugh. Guess who my neighbour is? It's Zed. I often see Zed at the Kent Bodgers. Zed has a very good YouTube channel, Zed Outdoors, all about bushcraft.
Thank you.
Hi, Zed.
You're very kind, Harry. It's an honour to share the space with Harry as well. We've had a fantastic weekend here at the Bodgers. My first time at the Bodgers Ball. We're having a great time. And yeah, we're very soon. We have a lot of crossover, me and Harry. So I cover more of the bushcraft stuff. But a pleasure to meet you, Harry, and share this space.
Thank you, Zed. That's
Thank
great.
you so much, and great to meet you guys too.
I find one learns so much seeing things and chatting to people. Good wood sales going on there. That Celtic book just showed you, I've just ordered it actually. Very interesting compact shave horse. And of course people, they're very helpful. They talk about what they're doing and it's very enjoyable indeed. People tend to have their little encampments by county.
Very nice selection of wagons along here. A timber bod for getting big logs and trees out of the woods. Huge wheels, and then there's a cattle transport cart, and then you got some sort of like regional wagons. I do love the woodwork on these. I've popped a film up talking about the different types of fittings on all these wagons. So that's the Sussex, that's a Dorset.
I did some key ring stamping on the Saturday, so people had a go at making their own key rings.
And in first place.
I'll pop some more films up on the competition entries and things, but it was really great, really enjoyable weekend. Anyway, hope you enjoyed watching.